Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Canva for creating sublimation mug templates. If you've ever wanted to design custom mugs but weren't sure where to start, Canva makes it really easy. You don't need any complicated software, and you can create professional-looking designs in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your mug template, add your graphics and text, and make sure it's ready for printing. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete mug design you can use for sublimation or for your own creative projects. So let's jump right in and get started. First thing we want to do is open our Canva dashboard. After that, we will go the left side of the screen and click the Create button, which has a plus icon. Now that we've clicked Create, the fun part really begins. This is where your idea starts to come to life and you can really see how the design begins to take shape. Even if it doesn't feel perfect at first, just know that the more you explore and experiment, the better your design will turn out. Now what we want to do is go to the left side and click the one that says Custom Size. Then a new option appears where we can customize our size. I recommend you to make it 8.244 by 4 and also make the unit in inches. Then click the option that says Create New Design. After that, a new tab opens where we can edit our template. We can add an element by searching the love and getting all the love elements. We can either click what we want or drag it to the editing page. So once your design is exactly how you want it, make sure everything is aligned and sized properly. You can double-check the text, colors, and images to make sure it looks perfect on the mug template. And remember, this is your design. Feel free to experiment with different graphics, fonts, and layouts until it really matches your style. The more you play around, the better your final mug will turn out. Once you're happy with it, you're all set to download or print your design. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.